In this video, I'm going to show you how Bolt compares to Databutton as AI code editors. So to get started, Bolt positions itself as a real-time AI-assisted code editor for developers who want to blend automation with control. It provides smart code generation, refactoring, documentation assistance, and rapid prototyping. Bolt works within your existing IDE, making it feel like a natural coding extension rather than a separate app. Databutton, meanwhile, focuses on AI-powered app building, particularly for data apps and dashboards. It simplifies back-end logic, database connections, and front-end visualizations with very little manual coding. It is ideal for non-developers or analysts who need quick interactive apps without writing complex code. If you're a developer who wants full access to your codebase and control over architecture, Bolt wins. If you're building a fast MVPs or internal dashboards where speed outweighs code control, Databutton might be faster. In short, Bolt serves developers needing AI pair programming, while Databutton is for rapid, low-code app creation. And that's how Bolt and Databutton compare as AI code editors.